So from now, as you cash in and also cash out, you're going to make something out of it. It won't be that much, but the elders will tell you that a little drop of water makes a mighty ocean. So don't worry about that one. It won't be that much. And this is for MTN only. I'm just checking on Vodafone. I will try and then find it for you and then put it right here for you to just watch. So subscribe if you're new and also like the video. I'll bring you more right on this channel. So let's talk about this. And before that, I have a lot of videos concerning Momo, so I'll leave it on the screen and also in the comment section or the description for you to just watch after watching this one. So let's start and let's dive into it right now. Let's go. So I'll show you how you can activate it, how to increase your interest or your money, and also when you will get your interest in your Momo account. Then *595#. So in that is code, just call on your phone and like the video for me so that I'll be able to do more for you. So after that, you can say, do you wish to receive interest on your mobile money wallet? Then here you're going to select one right here. Yes, so you are going to just receive interest on all our Momo transaction. So one, and then just enter. So when you enter, you may see you are already enjoying interest on your mobile money wallet on the left side, as you can see right here, and you will either see your request has been received and will be processed for the next payment. So if you are new or this is the first time that you are entering the code to activate your account, you see the right one. But if you have already been registered for this, you will see the left one. So if you see any one of these, you are now on mobile money interest services, and every 2 to 3 months you'll be paid right in your account. So as you can see this here, this is my payment for the last 3 months. Okay, January to March, this is my interest. So for you to increase your interest, make sure you use Momo or MTN MOMO for most of your transactions, and then you will get more interest or get more money in your pocket. Thanks for watching. Check on the screen for videos from here, and I'll see you in the next video. So it's all about Momo right on the screen, and then also new videos right here on the screen. Bye for now. Stay alive.